Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw and color an elephant. Let's start drawing. I think I'll name our elephant Lily. Isn't it a sweet name? First, let's draw her eyes. Elephants have beautiful eyes. Next, let's draw her trunk. Elephants have long trunks that they use to get food and water every day. It's one of their most unique and useful features. Now, let's draw Lily's face. Her face is round and cheerful. To make her even cuter, let's add a little bow on her head. Doesn't she look lovely? Let's draw Lily's ears next. Elephants have big ears, almost like huge fans. They use their ears to cool themselves down in the hot sun. Now we draw Lily's body step by step. First, we'll sketch her body shape, then add her to front legs and to back legs. Pretty simple, right? Step by step, she's starting to come to life. And there we have it. Now, let's color together. For her bow, let's use red to add a pop of color. I'll color her ears with a light shade of pink on the inside to make them stand out. I'll color her body gray since most elephants are gray. Great job, everyone! Look at how beautiful Lily the elephant turned out. You all did an amazing job following along. Next, I'll show you how to draw and color a cute teddy bear holding a heart. First, we draw the teddy bear's eyes. Start by drawing a big circle, then add a smaller circle inside. Next, let's draw the teddy bear's eyebrows. Now, draw the teddy bear's nose and mouth. For the nose, draw a small oval, and below it, add a cute smiling mouth. Teddy looks happy, doesn't he? Add the teddy bear's ears. Draw to round ears on top of the head, one on each side. Make them slightly fluffy. Next, draw Teddy's hands. His hands are small and rounded. Oh look, Teddy is holding a heart. Let's draw a big heart in the middle. Isn't that sweet? Now let's finish by drawing the teddy bear's legs and completing the body. First, let's color the heart red because it's the color of love. Doesn't it look wonderful? Let's color carefully to make sure the colors don't bleed outside the lines. I was thinking of coloring Teddy brown, but let's try something different. How about black for his fur? Wow, that looks unique and stylish. For his eyes, let's use blue to make them bright and lively. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Your support means so much to us. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.